The next step in manually migrating a virtual machine from on-premise into Azure is actually pretty simple. It's really just a single line, but then I'd have like a 10-second demo and that wouldn't be any fun. So of course I've made things more complicated, and not really randomly, just set a few things up, kind of make sure that it would go right. All right, so I've got a 19-line script here, and I am setting up some variables. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. I'm making sure that the storage account is there. I'm making sure that the container is there. That's all kind of reasonable. All right, and then I've got a URI. That's where I'm going to upload this to, and I've got the local file name. So we'll just run all of those. Let's check my URI that I'm going to upload to. And we can see that URI. Hopefully you can see that okay. We'll bump that up a little bit. I'm going to gkmanualmigrate.blob.core.windows.net, where gkmanualmigrate is the name of the storage account that I created previously to facilitate this. VHDS is the name of a container within that storage account, and then win2016guest.vhd is the name of the actual VHD file. Okay, and then file, that's just the local file, so that's pretty straightforward. And then here it is, the only thing that actually has to happen. Everything else was set up. Very simple, one commandlet, excuse me, add Azure RM VHD. Kind of makes sense. Go into a particular resource group, destination, and then I'm pulling the local file. And that's it. There you go, minute 42 to explain that. Now, this is going to take quite a while. It's going to figure out a hash across all of the data that's on that disk. It's also, one thing that's pretty cool is that it's going to look for empty space. It's not going to move the empty space. So even though I provision the disk much larger than it actually needs to be, it's not a huge deal as far as how long it's going to take and how much it's going to take bandwidth-wise to transfer that. Do be aware, of course, that you are going to pay for it on the other side as far as storage. But given that you're probably hopefully going to be a little more, or I should probably say a little less cavalier in about the way you create your actual production VMs than I might be in a demo, that's probably not going to be a big issue. All right, I am not going to make you wait around for this because it's going to take quite a while. It's going to calculate the hash, it's going to check for empty space, and it's going to upload anything that's not empty and make sure that the hash matches on the other side. All right, and that's the transfer. Again, almost 3 minutes to show you one line of PowerShell commandlets, but hopefully there's a reason behind all of that.